Now, you won't believe what me and the JoJo did. We added a third truck to the fleet and we bought a box truck, and we're gonna let you know what we're gonna do with it. Now, the goal is to make an extra 6 figures within 12 months with this thing. Now, it all started with a truck and a dream.
And now we make thousands from other people's junk.
And wait until you see what we found this week.
We own a junk removal company.
And people pay us to haul their junk away.
And the secret is, it's not always junk.
And just this week, we walked away with over $5,000 worth of hidden gems.
This business is like a treasure hunt every day. So if you want to see more, make sure you hit like and subscribe. So let's talk about how this all happened. Matt was on Facebook Marketplace again looking at vehicles, and I'm like, Matt, we do not need another vehicle unless we get rid of one.
And I was sitting on the couch just scrolling on Facebook Marketplace like I always do, and I seen this truck pop up 6 hours ago, and it was in my area, and I was like, JoJo, this is a great deal. We gotta check this out.
And I don't like to buy anything unless it's gonna make us money, so we went to check it out.
Now, if you're sitting on the couch trying to figure out how to make some money, the best thing you can do is invest in yourself and buy a vehicle that can make you some money. Now, the top 3 vehicles to buy are a pickup truck, which is not that expensive, a dump truck, which is gonna cost you a lot of money, or a box truck, because a box truck, you can do moving, junk removal, the hustles don't stop.
There are so many different things you could do with a box truck. You could do furniture deliveries, package deliveries, moving services, junk removal, hauling services. You can even rent advertising space.
Now, you're probably wondering, what did I spend on this truck? I spent $12,000 and that's it. Now, this thing is a 2004 Isuzu NPR. It only has 78,000 miles on it. It has a 6.0 V8 in it. It's a clean title. And if you can see, the box is 14 feet long. It fit 27 cubic yards. And this is perfect for house cleanouts and also doing donation drop-offs.
After doing junk removal for 8 years, we realized we have been missing out on a huge opportunity. Every week, we haul away perfectly good furniture that could be resold or donated to families in need. So instead of letting it all go to waste, we invested in this box truck to take our business and our impact to the next level.
Now, whenever I make investments in the business, I always think about the pros and the cons. Now, the pros are, this thing is paid for. I have no payments. My insurance is around $100 and some a month because it's a box truck. Now, another pro is, if I hit my goal, I'm making over 6 figures a year with this thing. Now, let's talk about the cons. I have no business. I'm gonna get this thing wrapped, and guess what? It can be a sitting billboard, and you can always sell it and make your money back. Now, JoJo, what's the game plan?
So now we have 3 trucks for 3 different reasons. One is for recycling, one is for the dump, and the other is for donations. So now when we have big house cleanouts, we can just pull up and be organized.
And when the customer knows that you recycle and donate, that's a good selling point. They're gonna love that.
So our goal is to be different and stand out from our competition, and that's exactly what we're gonna do.
And guess what we did on day number 1 already? We made $749 and picked up some stuff. Check it out. We got a couch, a little desk back there, a coffee table there. And I know what you're thinking, Matt, that's a small job. But we donated some stuff already. We also gave away a washer and dryer to a family in need. And I got a table in my front yard that I'm giving away too. I can't believe it, JoJo. We already made some money with this thing. Now let's talk about some things we need to do. Now, the more professional you look, the more money you can charge. Now, this thing right here looks funky as hell.
So we are replacing this door so we can put some graphics on it, because the back of your truck is the perfect place to advertise. So here's our plan with the back of the truck. What do you think? And then we're gonna get the sides wrapped. So leave a comment down below. What do you think about this wrap?
Now, if you're out there struggling, not making ends meet, and you hate your job, sacrifice for a few years and save up $12,000 to $15,000, and you can start a business just like this with a box truck. You can be the next go-to company for moving in your area, or maybe a junk removal company like we are.
Now here's a business fact. Did you know? So the average moving company that just starts their business can make over 6 figures a year. And you could do the same thing with junk removal. So getting our box truck wasn't about hitting a certain dollar goal. It was about purpose and making a difference in our community. So when you find a way to combine profit and purpose, that's when businesses get exciting. Now our vision is to partner with some local nonprofits to expand our business and make a difference in our community.
Now we're gonna take you guys on a mission with us on everything we do with this box truck, from the tools that we buy to the wrap that we get and every single penny we make with this thing. Now we're gonna show you the ups and the downs, the wins and the breakdowns, and how stressful it is running a business. Now, a lot of people think running a business is easy. It's not a 40-hour-a-week job. It's a full-time hustle and grind.
So if you're into business growth, side hustles, or giving back, make sure you hit like and subscribe and follow our journey and see if we really make an extra $100K a year with this truck.